guys going? Where are we guys going? Are you excited? The roller coaster? Do you want to go to the roller coaster?
Look at me.
Careful.
I'm so excited.
Excited?
I take off my shoes.
Okay. What about you, Della? Are you excited?
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah, the waterfall.
I'm scared the buggy is going to be wet. It's going to be scared for me. I'm scared. Oh wait, remember we went there?
Yeah. What is that? Are you guys excited? What? You guys are at the water park? What is this water park called, Dylan? Clementen Water Park, right there. Clementen Park, Splash World. Yeah.
Oh, what you say now?
We have to put sunscreen later, okay? Hallo iedereen. Vandaag zijn we bij de Clementen Water Park with the kids. Gonna have some good time with the kids. Yeah. Hoe gaat het met jullie allemaal? Hopelijk genieten jullie van jullie vacation, summer break. And wherever you are, God bless you. Stay safe and enjoy the video. Allah! Hi, Dana.
Dana, that's not
Let me spray it. Close your eyes. Other side.
Next friend.
Push your mouth.
I'm swimming with this. I'm swimming with this.
Hey, wait. Come here. Your eyes. Your face. Push your eyes. We'll do it for you. Okay. And then, ask Daddy to put it on for you. Your turn, Dylan. Why you put your hands on it? Let Papa help you.
Ouch.
Yeah. Wow, you having fun? Yeah. Hi, Dylan. You in Aruba? You like it? You okay? You've been diving. Oh, is Papa's a shark? Eesh. Woo. Woo. Let me see if it's on. It's dark. You cannot really tell. It's playing on there. Okay. Let's dive in the water. Okay? It's on. It's playing. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Dylan, you coming? Go, go. Go, Nina. Come on. Like it's raining or something. 1, 2, 3. Quick, quick, quick. try it out first? Which one? Hey, Stella, you made it? Yo, you wanna go in the big one? We have to go together. Dylan. Whoa! You good? She's so Woo! Good job, girlfriend! You did it! Dana, that's a good idea with the goggles. That's a good idea. Whoa! Dylan, go on the next one. Woo! Woo! Whoa! Dylan, where are you? Where is Dylan? 1, 2, 3, let's go! Woo! Oh my goodness! I'm too big! That was so much fun! Now we're going to the lazy river. Yeah, the lazy river. Huh? Where's the entrance for the lazy river?
Put all the bags inside the crate. Duffel bag, right?
Yeah. Is that the lazy river?
Oh, it's raining.
You're the pilot, Dylan? Okay, Dylan is controlling it. Are you chilling, Dina?
Yeah. Oh. Where are we?
Dylan, where are we? You're the one controlling it.
Oh.
Dylan, on board.
Let's go to the pool.
Relax. You can lay down, you know? Put your legs up. Put your legs there.
No, let's go to the pool.
I want to get out of the pool.
Bumblebee with. From there, see? Get some from there. Then are you relaxing? Wala ka. Tingnan off. Was goed? Had fun? Okay, that was so much fun, guys. So now we're going home. Say bye-bye. Bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye. 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Opa. Happy birthday to you. Buon fayari, tide, tide. Adimire vi fayari. Adimire you fayari. Adimire you fayari. Dami kong first day you. Hip 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 hip. Hooray. Go blow together.
Together, Dylan. CJ.
3, 2, 1. Ooh. Good job.